Assalamualaikum, I am Erna. I will present the result of our research. The title of our research is Integrating Local Culture in Natural and Social Sciences, a Need Analysis. And the author are Erna Zumrodon, and then Prof. Sabar Narimo, and then Prof. Harun Joko Prayitno. In the introduction, integrating local culture into education helps students understand and appreciate their heritage, fostering character development and enhancing motivation to learn. Nuryadi et al. 2023, Lismayanti et al. 2023. Despite it is important, there is a significant lack of culturally inclusive teaching materials, Cook and D. Our research aims to fill this gap by developing teaching materials that integrate local culture and provide a holistic learning experience. Ekabetari 2023. This approach ensures that the value and identity of local communities are preserved and promoted within the education system. And the method, this study implies a mixed method approach, specifically the sequential exploratory design. Creswell and D. To gain a comprehensive understanding of integrating local culture into education. The process involves the first qualitative phase, focus group discussion or FGD, with 3 primary school teachers from different regions of Jepara to gather in-depth insights. And number 2, quantitative phase, survey with 38 teachers from various schools including public and private primary school and madrasah ibtidaiyah to validate the qualitative findings. And data collection conducted into stage FGD for qualitative insight and questionnaire for quantitative data. Analysis using triangulation to ensure validity and reliability, employing thematic analysis for qualitative data and statistical method for quantitative data. This approach first explores teacher perspective qualitatively and then validates this insight quantitatively, providing a well-rounded understanding of the research problem. The first qualitative data finding: number 1, urgency; number 2, challenges; number 3, training; and number 4, curriculum. The first, urgency. There is an urgent need to integrate local culture into teaching to address gaps in cultural understanding among 5th grade students. The participant number 1, participant number 2, and participant number 3. And number 2, challenges. The primary challenge is the lack of culturally inclusive teaching materials. Participant number 2 and participant number 3. Training. Teacher require specialist training to develop this material. Participant number 1 and 3. And the last, curriculum. The current curriculum lack flexibility to incorporate local culture, requiring adjustment. Participant number 1, 2, and 3. And the quantitative data, number 1, demography; number 2, teaching material need; and the last, development priorities. Demography: majority female, 82%, predominantly Bachelor of Education, 97%, mostly primary teacher education background, 95%, and 75% from private school, 76% from national based school. Teaching material needs: availability mean 2.47, and importance of integration mean 2.74, and then local culture integration mean 2.24, and development priorities: general necessity mean 2.47, local history mean 2.47, and folklore mean 2.55. And the discussion, the focus group discussion revealed an urgent need to integrate local culture into teaching material to help students connect with their cultural heritage. Teachers face challenges due to the lack of culturally inclusive materials, which are currently national in scope. Specialist training for teacher and community involvement, including local culture experts and leaders, are essential for creating meaningful education content. Integrating local culture not only enhances student learning experiences but also help preserve cultural heritage. And last conclusion, this study highlights the urgent need to develop teaching materials that integrate local culture to enhance elementary school student learning outcomes. Teachers with strong educational background agree that current material must be updated to be more locally relevant. Integrating folklore, customs, cultural history, and traditional food into teaching material preserves local culture and increases student interest and engagement. Education should not only transfer knowledge but also enrich and preserve local culture. Therefore, developing teaching material based on local wisdom is crucial, with strong support from teachers and other stakeholders.